Good morning, welcome to Bitcoin Bounce. My name is Joseph, and today I am by myself. Dion is living in a different town than me, and they have terrible load shedding over there, so they don't even have internet. And so today I'm doing a session by myself, but I got some really exciting news to talk about the DYDX exchange and how they are integrating with Cosmos, and that is expecting to have a big move in the market. So I want to look at that, but before I go into that, I want to jump in and look here at the Bitcoin chart. So we were talking yesterday about this 22,850 level. That was a very important level to hold for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin broke through. There's a lot of volume. They broke through that level. They came down and then they broke a second time through. You can see these high volume bars. And then Bitcoin came down for a second time, and now we're hoping that this level will hold. Let me open up my graph. If this level holds, then we can expect definitely, because this is a very important resistance level to break through, then we can expect Bitcoin, the next resistance level is in this zone right here, the 27,200 to 28,500 range, and that area is going to be our next level of resistance that we have right here. So what is wonderful for me, let me delete that. What is wonderful for me, if you look at this graph, we've actually made we've made the double bottom. So you can see there, here's the first bottom that we made, and then we made the second bottom right now. Okay, so the whole idea about a double top or a double bottom means the market tried to break through this resistance, then it tried a second time, it was rejected a second time. Now for every rejection you have, the chances for the market then to be able to bounce in the opposite direction get stronger and stronger. Okay, so so the next level of confluence would be is this level right over here. If the candles can close above this 23,466 level, then there's definitely a trade opportunity, and then our target, our first target, can probably okay, there is a resistance here at 24,280. But I would say our target could be in a 24,843 level. So let me just measure and see how much profit is in there. Yeah, there could be a good 5% profit in a trade that we can do right here. Okay, so that's just a little bit about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is very, very steadily moving up. Just looking at the higher lows and the higher highs is very clear that Bitcoin is now in an upward trend and is not in a bullish trend anymore. I mean, I'm looking at this at a 4-hour chart. Now, on the weekly chart, Bitcoin is very much still in a downtrend. On the daily chart, Bitcoin has already turned, but on a 4-hour chart, we are on a very, very solid uptrend. Now, when you trade on a 4-hour chart, then you want to do trades in the 5% to 10% take profit range. Now, when you go to your daily and your weekly, then you can go for your 20 and your 30 and your 40% take profits. Okay, now let's move over to the main topic of this video, and that is the DYDX exchange. Now you have to understand that decentralization is very, very important for people in a crypto world, and there is almost a battle between people that want to be decentralized and governments that want to have control. They want to regulate, and they want everything to be regulated and centralized. And so DYDX is right now the biggest exchange that is decentralized, and that is very important, and a lot of people are looking at DYDX kind of to be a pioneer in this arena. Okay, now what DYDX did, they were always on the Ethereum blockchain, and they bring out the version 4, and now they're moving to the Cosmos blockchain, and that's going to allow them to do about 1,000 times more transactions that they've done, and also the fees on transactions is going to be a lot lower. So I want to show you these tweets. The decentralization and trade flow of DYDX will be improved in version 4, moving to Cosmos or a Cosmos-based blockchain. Okay, so DYDX has operated only on Ethereum. Okay, and now they're moving to the Cosmos. So I believe right now, as this version 4 comes out and they do this move from the Ethereum blockchain to the Cosmos blockchain, that we're going to see a massive spike or a upswing in both the DYDX coin and also in the Cosmos coin. Let me just read to you a little bit more. Okay, so according to the DYDX team, neither Ethereum's layer 1 nor layer 2 solution would be able to achieve its standards for throughput and speed and 100% decentralization by the end of this year. So their goal is to be 100% decentralized by the end of this year. Let me just go back to that previous clip. It says here, now DYDX product performs 10 transactions and 1,000 order placements per second. Okay, and so you're talking about a lot of transactions that is happening. I think the Bitcoin chain was around about 650 transactions. Okay, this is really, really good news, and so that's why I want us to go and look at this DYDX chart. Okay, so you can see DYDX has been following the Bitcoin movement pretty much in step. You can see that same channel that we just saw on Bitcoin is also here on DYDX. Now the moment they make that shift, then the expectation is for DYDX to quickly move up to the $3.50 level, and then it will slowly creep up to the $6 level. So that's kind of the expectations that we will see in this move. So if you would buy DYDX right now, your expectation can be to go in the next month or so with 50% increase on whatever funds you invested, and then by the end of the year with 154%. And so I wanted to just put these levels out here. So we are putting some of our money into the Ethereum blockchain. And we got the Ethereum merge, with Matic and all of those coins. Now, Cosmos, of course, is also now something we have to start looking at, and DYDX, because they are in a decentralized exchange category, and so just like Ethereum 2.0, we have expectation to have a big run to the upside. We have a similar expectation with DYDX and with Cosmos. Now, so like I said, 154% by the end of this year is the expectation. Now let's look at the Cosmos coin. So on Binance, if you want to search for Cosmos as Atom, ATOM, and then USDT is what I'm trading, but that's the Cosmos blockchain. Now the major support level is here at 26,269. Okay, that is a major resistance level, and which will hopefully then become a support level for the Cosmos blockchain. Now you can see right now, if we just take the growth, and that's also the first real resistance that this coin will hit. So if you see, we are right now sitting at $10, and if we go up to this $26 level, then we can also expect 150% increase on our finances. Okay, so my strategy is going to be, I'm going to take an amount of money, and I'm going to buy 70% of that amount of money on the Cosmos blockchain, and I'm gonna hodl that coin until I reach this $26 level, and then I'm gonna take profit. And then on the DYDX, I'm going to buy 30% of the amount of money that I'm intending, and I'm going to, the moment we hit the 350 level, I'm going to buy, and I'm going to wait for a drop, because what I expect is going to happen in this exchange. Let me show you. I expect it to go up, and then go back down again, break through, go down again, and then go up to the next level. That's the movement that I expect. And so what I'm thinking, the moment it hits my $3.50 level, I'm going to wait for that pullback, and then I'm going to climb back in again. And if it managed to make a really big move right here, then I might even wait for a bounce on the 350 level before I then ride it all the way up to the $6 level. Alright, so that's my strategy. I'm going to post this video right now. I'm going to be back tomorrow morning with Dion. Remember, tomorrow is non-farm payrolls announcements, and so we expect a big movement both on Bitcoin and also the Euro US dollar if you are trading Forex. So that could potentially be exciting. I like to trade DCA strategies when there's non-farm payrolls, just to do straightforward trading with a stop loss and a take profit. There's a chance that they're going to do stop loss hunting and take you out. So I'll show you in the morning how we're going to do this. And then South African time, I think it's going to be 14:30 tomorrow is when the non-farm payroll come out. So if you're in America, you should be able to catch our video early in the morning so that you can be ready for non-farm payrolls. Okay, thank you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.